Unlock the power of demonstrative adjectives in English. Hello, language enthusiasts. Today, we are going to dive deep into the fascinating world of English language collocations, specifically focusing on demonstrative adjectives. As you advance your English, understanding how these adjectives work and how they are commonly used can greatly enhance your fluency and naturalness in the language. Before we go any further, let's clarify what we mean by demonstrative adjectives. In English, these are the words this, that, these, and those. They are used to indicate or point to a specific thing or things. The thing can be either close to the speaker, this, and these, or further away, that, and those. Use this for singular nouns that are close to you. For example, this book. Use that for singular nouns that are far from you. For example, that car. Use these for plural nouns that are close to you. For example, these apples. Use those for plural nouns that are far from you. For example, those mountains. Let's now look at how we use demonstrative adjectives in everyday speech and writing. They are a part of collocations, which means they often go together with certain nouns. For example, we often say, this time, to refer to the present moment or a particular instance. Or we say, that way, to indicate a specific direction. In a similar vein, we use, these days, to refer to the current period, and, those people, when we want to single out a particular group from a larger population. Keep in mind that these are just examples, and the actual collocations you might use will depend on what you are talking about and the context of the conversation. Now that we've covered the basics, let's do some practice. How would you use demonstrative adjectives in these sentences? 1. Underscore 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 reason is good enough for me. 2. Can you see underscore 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 stars from here? 3. Underscore 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 issues need to be addressed immediately. 4. I don't agree with underscore 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 methods. Try to fill in the blanks using this, that, these, or those. Remember, your choice will depend on whether the noun is singular or plural, and whether it is near or far. Alright, that wraps up our exploration of demonstrative adjectives in English. We hope you found this discussion enlightening and practical. Remember, learning is a journey, not a destination. So keep practicing and using these adjectives in your everyday English. You're well on your way to mastering English collocations. See you in the next video.